Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight's going to be a little bit different video, just about some things that I've been doing. I've been really busy around the house and getting things done, so I haven't had time to make any videos. I should have put some cameras on some of the work we were doing and got some video on that, but I only got a little bit in the garden here. So I wanted to show you what I did on the garage door. This is a complete insulation done on the inside of this garage door. You have to take out all these hurricane braces and cut the panels to fit. Some doors don't have these braces and the panels are already cut to fit, but this door has several braces. So because of the several braces, it was a lot of work taking all the panels and cutting them all separately. I had to cut 2 1/4 inch panels to go in this beam here, and then cut these small panels. My other garage door didn't have these many ribs because it wasn't hurricane resistant, but this one, all these are styrofoam panels. You get them you buy a kit at Home Depot. Took 2 kits to do a double wide garage door, but all in all it came out really well. The benefits are lower noise. You know, we live in a noisy area, and also the heat. So the sun hits this garage door and heats up the garage quite a bit. So if you're home and you don't open the garage door, you got quite a bit of savings on keeping the house cool. And since the air conditioner and the heater is in the ceiling there, the garage heat rises and then causes the air conditioner to work harder. So let's go out and check out my other project. Well guys, out in the backyard, my wife wanted a garden, so we started working in the garden, and I told her I'd get her a raised bed garden. So we purchased a couple of raised beds here, got them started. She got all her plants, well, not all her plants going, but she got a lot of them going. When we worked on this area right here in the corner of the yard. And she did a lot of the work, and I was her support, helping her out with this stuff. She's got her papaya tree and stuff going on there, and she even made flower bed here, and their flowers are really pretty. And she made a nice walkway here around the pool equipment. So our plants are doing good, and this raised bed garden here is taking off. She's got a lot of plants since when we first started it, which was several weeks ago, which is one of the reasons I haven't produced any videos. But this garden is really taken off, guys. She's done a wonderful job out here, and plants are getting some size to them. And I know this isn't about tech, but I was testing out my GoPro while we were working in the garden, and our plants are really doing well. So we got grapevine going on. I've always wanted a grapevine to see if we could grow a grapevine and get some grapes going on. And guys, I've been really busy the last few weeks. No videos. I know I was gonna make a video on doing the door and everything, but I just got too busy with the painting and everything to do any video. Well guys, thanks for stopping by the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.